Excuse me. Woo, y'all. What is up to my Brilliant gang? What is up to my Brilliant squad? It is your girl, Brilliant Bree, and I'm back with another freaking video. If you're new to my channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. But if you're already a part of the Brilliant gang, thank you so much for tuning in for another freaking video. So I know you guys can see from that title, and this is why you clicked on the video, because for some reason, y'all be loving these try not to burp challenges. So yes, I'm back with another one, you guys. And this time, I'm going to be doing a Coca-Cola, okay? Better known as a Coke. And I'm going to try to see how much I can drink today, y'all. Look, I've been practicing. I don't know about y'all, but I've been practicing, okay? So I'm about to go ahead and get a crack at it again. I think this is like, what, the third or fourth time I've tried. I think it's the third. I think I did A&W cream soda and Pepsi. So if you haven't seen those, make sure you go check those out. I think those are the only two I've did. I'm not sure. I'll have to go back and look, but it'll be up in the title which number I'm on. So let's go ahead and jump into the video, you guys. So let me get it open. Yeah, it's cold. Like, look, sweating. Like I said, I've been practicing. I think I'm ready for this. I'm ready for this. I don't like wet bottles, but I'm gonna go ahead and just get with it. I ain't finna waste no time. Let's get it. It's a little flat, y'all. I just bought this last night. The only reason I keep stopping because it's ice in here, y'all. I had it in the freezer. I'm first already. Comment down below, and if y'all think the reason I haven't burped yet is because it's kind of flat. It is kind of flat. Tell me down below if it's flat, will I burp as much? Cause I didn't make it this far, I don't think. Now look, I know I've been practicing, but dang, I ain't even got the urge yet. This is where I'm at. Okay, I think I feel a little one now. Excuse me. Ooh. Excuse me. Excuse me. Woo, y'all. Them was some strong burps. Ain't even lie to y'all. Them was strong. Okay, y'all. So I got better this time. Okay, it did take me a little bit longer this time. I stopped right here. That's way further than what I did last time, y'all. That's way further. I'm gonna keep these videos going because y'all seem to really like the gulping. I don't know if it's the gulping, the chugging, the burping, the trying not to burp challenge. I don't know what it is, but apparently y'all love these videos, so I'm gonna keep doing them as long as y'all keep viewing them. So if there's a specific soda you want me to try, let me know. If you have some tips, y'all, your girl is with the tips. So if you got some tips on how I can try to scarf this all the way down. Now, I don't even really like cold soda. I like it more room temperature, maybe a little cold. So maybe that's another reason. Maybe I should try to just drink it room temperature like I like, and maybe I'll be able to get it down faster. I don't know. Y'all get down in those comments and let me know. I ain't gonna take up too much of your time. I hope everybody had an awesome day. Today is Monday. I don't know what the date is. I think it's the 29th. But I hope everybody had a good day. Drop down those comments and let me know if you're enjoying these videos still. Comment it up. Like this video. Subscribe to this channel. Hit that bell notification. And I will see you guys in my next freaking video. Bye.